Quickly, I want to respond, or is it respond? I would say just give my own point of view concerning the gift that, or what will I say, the things that Mr. President actually decided to give to the Super Falcons after they won the Women Africa Cup of Nations. Uh, it is becoming so clear that the most difficult job on earth is to be Nigeria president or to be the Nigerian president. Anyhow, I want to present it, given the fact that I remember a song by a great Yoruba musician. I think it's a is it Sunny Ade Abi Ebenezer Obe? Ẹ̀dá ọmọ aráyé. Wọ́n ń lọ, wọ́n ń lọ, wọ́n ń lọ. Bí wọ́n ṣe rìn síwájú díẹ̀, wọ́n ti pàdé ẹ̀dá ọmọ aráyé. Talking about a man, a son, and a horse. That while on the man on the journey going to his party somewhere with the child, eh, and the children of the world, ẹ̀dá ọmọ aráyé, they are going with the horse himself and the child. At first, they were walking with their legs, and the horse was walking on his own. And ẹ̀dá ọmọ aráyé, the children of this world, came and saw the man and the son walking with their legs, and the horse is just on his own. They said, excuse sir, excuse sir, you have a horse, and you and your child, you are walking with your legs. So, what kind of a man? What kind of a man has something like this and be suffering? So, the man decided to climb the horse with the child. One law, they are going. Now, they met another set of persons again, the children of this world, again, children of this world. And then the man, now they are going. The man decided to climb the horse. And this time, they met another set of children of this world again. Yeah, this people now say, wicked man, how come you are on top the horse and your child is walking with his legs? Eh? Your child is walking on his legs and you are on top the horse. You are a wicked man, Baba. You are a wicked man. So Baba said, okay, we decided to calm down. And now this time, he puts his son on the horse and he was walking with his legs. Now they met another set of children of this world. Say, Baba, are you a fool? Are you a fool? At this your age? How come you put your son on top the horse and you are walking with your legs? So you can see, the fact is that you cannot satisfy everybody. And that song actually said, Kò sọ́gbọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ dá, kò sí wa tẹ́lẹ̀ lò, kò sọ́gbọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ dá, tẹ́lẹ̀ fi táyé lọ́rùn o. You can never satisfy people. If he had not given these guys anything, you people will talk. He has given now, it is too much. I don't know. Even for someone like, even if it was you, the way these guys won, will you not appreciate them? You want to appreciate them. You want to show them that they tried. One of the person I saw is Dino Milan. He said, "Oh, I don't have issue with the money, but how come official? I think military, be servicemen in Nigeria, they will get 2 to 3 million, and then people that went to play football for 90 minutes got about 160 million and house and award. Of course, it depends on what everybody choose. Even abroad, everywhere, we see the way they celebrate people that are into sport or artists more than the basic civil servant. But let's be sincere now. You have so many cars. You can decide to sell some or use the money you are using to show some things on internet. Help people. Help people. Since you know some of them are there, the one from your state, help them. Help them is very, very important. You say you want to satisfy people on earth. You will die. You will see. You will die like Mumu. No wonder so many great persons, so many Mr. Good and so many Mr. Nice died in their life early because they want to satisfy everybody. You can't satisfy everybody. You can't satisfy everybody. That's just the basic truth. This is the dream I mean, like. I don't have issue with what he has given. He has given. He has given. There's no need now saying Baba give or Baba did not give. It would have been very, very terrible if he actually did not give anything. Remember during the last president time, Buhari was basically not giving things to people. So it's still the same thing. So some people decide to give, some people decide not to give. So, but the truth is that everybody, you have your opinion about it. Some of you now will actually some of you now will actually insult me. Some of you will say what I said is good. Some of you will look at me like go and die. So that's just the truth. But that's my opinion anyway. Kudos to you, Mr. President, and a wonderful one to the girls. They started, you saw them singing now. Now, why, Baba, be this, so money, money will turn your head upside down. I bet let me not talk too much. Thank you very much.